Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to report a speed camera on Waze. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to make sure your map is centered on your current location. Look at the lower left corner of your screen and you'll see a circle icon. Go ahead and click on it to recenter the map. This ensures that your report will be placed at the correct location where you've spotted the speed camera. Next, direct your attention to the lower right corner of your screen. You'll notice a warning icon there. Click on this icon to open up the reporting menu. This feature is what makes Waze so valuable to other drivers as it allows you to share real-time road information with the community. From the menu that appears, you'll see several reporting options. Look for and click on Police. This category covers various types of law enforcement presence on the road, including speed cameras, which is exactly what we need for this report. After selecting Police, you'll be presented with more specific options. Click on Mobile Camera from the list. This designation is important because it tells other Waze users that there's a temporary speed enforcement camera in the area, not a permanently installed one. Mobile cameras are often harder to spot, so reporting them helps fellow drivers stay alert and drive safely. Finally, click the Report button to submit your information. Once you do this, your report will be instantly shared with other Waze users in the area, giving them advance warning about the speed camera ahead. This helps everyone stay within speed limits and avoid potential fines. And that's it. You've successfully reported a speed camera on Waze, contributing to a safer driving experience for everyone in your community. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.